Hi, I'm Jeff.
And I'm Patty.
And we just traded in our old beat-up RV for a new one. You want to know why?
We're going to tell you.
Today we're coming to you from beautiful New Orleans.
Yeah.
The weather's perfect here.
It's beautiful.
Now we got a little bit of boats and trains and airplanes and pelican action going on.
Right.
But it's all good. So if it gets a little bit busy here in the Big Easy, you'll understand why.
Right.
We've been living in an RV full-time for about 5 months. We kind of figured that we would hang on to our used RV that we purchased back in June of last year. We thought we'd have it for about a year or so, but we decided we needed a better tool to do the job, especially if we're going to do this long term. We wanted something that would make the experience a little bit more fun.
Sure, a little more enjoyable. Yeah.
Like having a nicer kitchen, right?
Right.
And the key word, storage.
Right. But hey, how about a nicer bathroom?
Oh, yes.
The key word, a bigger shower.
A bigger shower really helps. It really does. And that old Fleetwood Flair we had, man, I'd be scrunched up there taking my shower. But you know, it wasn't bad. We did it for about 3 months and made do, but I knew that it would be nice to have a bigger shower.
Yeah.
Another thing, technology. We have a nice Bose audio system.
Right.
We have the Wi-Fi amplifier and extender. That's a must, especially if you're doing YouTube videos.
Right.
You know, that helps a lot. But storage is the big word. It used to be we'd have to go into the bedroom and open up the bed, because you know how underneath some of these beds, that's where your storage is.
Right.
That was our pantry.
That was our pantry.
And it was the medicine cabinet.
Right.
So we've changed that. I still have no room in the bathroom.
You have plenty of room if you want it.
I got one shelf.
Well, because he doesn't have much stuff. He's a guy.
But another thing that was really important was the stability of the vehicle on the road.
Right.
I mean, it was a little shaky sometimes in that Fleetwood Flair, and we wanted a vehicle with bigger tires too. We had the 19.5-inch tires. Now we have 22.5, and it just feels a whole lot better.
Right.
It feels a lot more stable on the road.
It does.
And it's a lot easier for us to drive. Hey, we're not 20 anymore. You know, we like to have some nice soft things on our butts. So it's worked out so far so good. But would you like to see the inside of it?
Yeah, we'll show you the inside.
And we'll show you some of the outside too.
Yeah.
Ready?
Come on, let's go.
Come on. It all started for us back in June of 2020 when we bought our first RV. It was a used Fleetwood Flair motorhome about 29 feet long.
It's Fleetwood's entry level, or what they would call a starter Class A. It had low miles and one previous owner, so we felt it was perfect for us to see if we were going to like doing this.
Yeah, really. And it was really the perfect way also to learn all the systems on the RV, everything from driving and maneuvering to preparing food, using the inverter, dealing with water, the black and gray tanks, fixing things that would loosen up or break along the way.
Yep. And then driving an RV is like having your house go through a 4.0 earthquake.
Oh, yeah.
Everything shakes, rattles, and rolls, especially on bumpy, crummy roads.
You know, our first RV was really good to us. And you named it Harvey.
I did.
It got us through the Southwest all the way out to Los Angeles. And there were some great stories. There were a few interesting things that happened.
Oh, my gosh. Well, the one time we were watching TV and I kept hearing a drip, 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 and I finally got up to check it out.
It's not good when you hear dripping water. Immediately get up.
I think I thought it was coming from outside.
Yeah, really.
Well, here, one of us, it wasn't me, when they washed their hands, did not turn the faucet off in the bathroom, and it had been dripping long enough that the gray tank filled up.
Yeah, the gray tank filled up.
It was overflowing.
Overflowing from the sink.
Kitchen, out the bathroom sink. Oh, my gosh.
I swear to God it was not me.
It wasn't me.
All right. Maybe we have a ghost.
Yeah.
I don't know. All right, what about the smoke alarm?
Oh, gosh, yep. I was baking a pizza in the oven. Went to open the oven door, and all this smoke came pouring out, and there goes the smoke alarm.
Oh, my. That was the first time it scared the living daylights out of both of us.
Oh, yeah.
We opened every window, opened the door,
gosh.
hoping nobody in the camp noticed us.
Yeah.
It was really... Remember the heater?
Oh, my gosh.
I don't know what it was about the Fleetwood Flair, but it had the loudest heater.
It did.
I mean, it would come on and just make this rumble noise.
Oh, yeah.
So we ended up actually buying some electric space heaters to keep us warm so we wouldn't have to use that loud heater.
Yeah, whoever got up in the middle of the night had to turn one on.
Yeah, exactly, because it would get cold. So we were kind of beginning to realize that if we were going to do a lot more traveling, we needed something with more bells and whistles. So for us, a Newmar Bay Star was the answer. You want to take us inside and show everybody what's going on?
Yes, I do. Let's go. Come on in. This is our new RV. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh, that's a narrow hallway there. Actually, the slide is in. This is what it's like when we drive. So when we're driving, it's like this. I am going to put the slide out for you. Watch this.
And this is where we drive it from. It really has a great up-to-date console. All the gauges, everything is monitored right in front of you. It's so easy to read. A couple of really beautiful captain's chairs are really comfortable. They actually turn around and face the rear. And we've got a monitoring system so we can actually check on our tow vehicle, which is the Jeep. Now when I put on my left directional, camera on the side over here goes on so it can check my lane. Same with the right. And we got a beautiful view out the front. If I want, I can lower this shade automatically, just the flip of a switch. And I'll tell you, looks like we're going to drive off into the water. It's just a great sight here in New Orleans, right on the river.
It's beautiful. Here's the view out the window. Check out my kitchen. I love these cabinets. They're actually glazed. They're so cute. My drawers are soft close. Love that. I don't have an oven, but I do have a microwave convection, which works great. Huh, check out my refrigerator. Double doors. Freezer, refrigerator, I even have an ice maker in there. Here's my stove. 3-burner. And a double sinks. Jeff, you left your tequila there. Let's have some.
And now it's time for the bathroom. That's my job. Plenty of cabinetry and shelves and places to put things. Great medicine cabinet. Patty owns all of this. I get one shelf in here. We also have, this is where all the electrical is for the RV. But here's the crown jewel. A shower, complete with a skylight. We also have continuous hot water in this RV, so you can get yourself a really great shower. I have friends that always say, oh, when you stop by my house, you can get a great shower. I get a great shower in my RV. I don't need to stop by your house. And we have a super duper fan as well. I don't know what we need that for. And a pocket door. Excuse me. I'll be right out.
This is our bedroom. I love the bedroom. It's so pretty. We have a big window in the back and a TV so we can watch TV in bed if we want to.
And you know what? Another thing, we really take good care of this. You got to keep it clean.
We found this really cool car wash with an RV wash.
Oh, it was awesome.
Somebody had a great idea for this. We could have washed it at the campground too. They come out and do it. But it costs anywhere from $100 to $150.
Ouch. Remember what it was like moving into this?
Oh, it was a mess. It was like moving out of a house, but on a smaller scale. I could tell Jeff was stressed, but eventually we found a place for everything, and it is so much better.
I can't believe we're showing this. You know, when you move from one RV to another, you just park them next to each other, and you start moving your stuff.
Yeah, it was really stressful and took about an hour and a half. And it looked like this. Well, that's the inside of our RV. Hope you liked it. Oh, let me just say one more thing. The sofa opens up into a bed. The dinette actually drops down, turns into a bed. And we have another bed up here that drops down. Plenty of room for guests. All right, everybody, let's go outside.
Well, that's a look at our new RV. Thank you very much for indulging us. I don't want you to think that this is a commercial for Newmar or anything. We have had some issues with it, and it will be going back to the service department.
Not too bad, but we still love it.
Yep, so I love New Orleans.
Oh my gosh, we're standing right here on Lake Pontchartrain.
Really nice place.
Beautiful here.
And we've met some really nice people.
We've met Chuck and Jackie. They were right next to us at the campground. Now they also have a Newmar. They have a Newmar Dutch Star, and theirs is 43 feet long compared to our 30. Now theirs has heated floors, 2 bathrooms, and God knows what else.
Partridge in a pear tree.
My gosh, it was beautiful.
Yeah, it really was.
Yeah, why didn't we get one like that?
I'll give you 3 reasons, and the first 2 don't count.
Oh well.
We would like, well, Patty would like to name the new RV.
Right.
It's got to have a name. If you have a suggestion, maybe you can put it in the comments below. Maybe you have named your RV.
Yeah.
We would like to know what it is. Just put it in the comments. We'd really appreciate that. We'll make it worth your while if we use the name you suggest.
Right. Well, we have a couple extra of these sweatshirts. We'll send you a sweatshirt if we use your name.
Rockin' and wheelin' sweatshirt.
Yep.
What more could you ask for?
Right.
Once again, thank you very much for subscribing and supporting us.
Yeah.
We really appreciate it.
Hit that notification bell and
the
thumbs up
subscribe
if
button
you like
and
this.
all that.
Yeah.
By all means, stay active.
Stay safe.
Stay out of trouble.
Bye.